Easy, fast, safe, and affordable. This is how we can describe the process of sending money with Wise. In this video, you'll see a quick step-by-step guide on one of the Wise features, money transfers, and get answers to the most frequently asked questions. Let's get into it. Okay, let's set a scene. You're tired of being ripped off and a little bit upset with the fees you pay for international transfers and non-transparent exchange rates. Sad. So you have decided it's time to save cash, and that's when you consciously uncouple from your previous providers and start a relationship with Wise. There are two options. You can use our app or use the desktop version on wise.com. To use the Wise app, all you have to do is to download it from the App Store or Google Play, find the links in the description, or use the QR codes for speedy access. Click register in the app, pop in your email address, and complete account setup. There is also an option to register with Google and Facebook profiles and Apple ID both via app and desktop. Next step is choosing whether you want a personal or a business account. Let's go ahead and say you've gone with a personal. You'll then pick your country of primary residence, this is where you actually live, pop in your phone number, create a password, and it's done. The process is the same when you're using the desktop version. How to send money? It's easy. Click the Send button in the app, and on desktop, the Send Money button is in the top left corner. Then choose the currency you're sending from and enter the amount you send or the exact amount you want your recipient to get, and we will show you the fees and exchange rate breakdown. An important note on rates: we provide mid-market exchange rates, which means that they don't contain any hidden fees. And unlike many other companies out there, we just tell you upfront how much your transfer will cost. We are transparent, and if you do decide to compare Wise with any other service, pay attention to the amount of money the recipient will get, not just the fees. This is important. Once you set the currencies, it's time to add a recipient. Choose accordingly from the options if it's you, someone else, or a business organization. Next, enter their account details. If it's your first time you're using Wise and you're not verified yet, we'll ask you to tell us a bit more about yourself. First and last name, date of birth, and address. Also, we'll need to verify you with one of the ID documents eligible in your region, but you'll see all the necessary details there, so this process is smooth. Why do we verify customers? So, to put it simply, we're following the regulations, and as a financial institution, we just should know who's using our service. But don't worry, everything you enter is encrypted and kept private, and we take it seriously. When you're done, select your payment method and transfer your money. The selection depends on whether you choose a cheaper and slower or faster and more expensive option. Although any of those is likely to be cheaper than sending money internationally to a foreign currency bank account with your bank. For example, manual bank transfer is in the low-cost section. How it works: we will give you account details, and you'll need to send money there from your bank account, and we will complete the transfer when you receive your money. Also, we will show you the estimated time of arrival. You can go for debit card or, for example, Apple Pay options. Those are faster and easier, but at the same time a bit more expensive, so you'll see the fees for each payment method, and this will help you to decide which one you would prefer. Once the payment is completed, you'll see the status of the transfer, and don't be surprised if it's sent immediately. Yes, we do send money as quickly as possible, but again, this will depend on the payment method you choose and if you're already verified or not. Now let's get to the FAQ. How long does the transfer take? So over half of our transfers are instant, and we are always working on improving that statistics, but some things are just out of our control, for example your bank speed. If you send money via bank transfer and, for example, did it out of the normal banking hours, this could take a bit longer. Another thing to note is that as a financial institution, we may need to run some random security checks on your payment. This helps us to keep everything safe and follow the regulations. How can I check the status of the transfer? So in the app or on your desktop, just select the transfer you want to check and the details will be there. Can I cancel my transfer? So long as this option is on your transfer details, yes you can. If there is no such button, you cannot cancel the payment and neither can we. So always check the recipient's details carefully before actually sending money. Can I send money from someone else's bank account? Yes, but only if you have a joint account or it's a business account from the business that you represent. If latter is the case, you'll need to have a Wise business account and the name of the business bank account has to match the business registered with Wise. That's pretty much it. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. We will get back to you. For more videos like this, click subscribe. For the relevant links, check the description. See you in the next videos. Peace.